So we're here this morning at Blackbush Airport. It's about 9:20, it's 1 degree, so pretty cold. We've got a Cessna 172 cover to fit. This particular aircraft is part of the Blackbush flying group, so tons of aircraft here, 152s, 172s, PA-28s, Cherokee 6s, and a brand new Baron. And we'll just show you the fitting method. We'll start at the front. Basically get the front of the cover around the spinner. If you get it anchored there, then no matter how windy it is, you're in control of the cover. And then we just walk down one side of the aircraft, flop it over the back, walk down the other side, connect the two sides and do the roof. This particular Cessna's got an ADF wire on the top. It doesn't really cause us any problems. We've got the cover that fully accommodates that. But as you can see, aircraft hasn't had a cover overnight, so it's quite icy. So this would be the normal issue if you don't have a cover, is water ingress, it's freezing, instrumentation is now super cold, and perhaps starting the aircraft in 1 degree would be a bit difficult. But we'll start at the front, connect it up, work ourselves round, and then tidy up, and then do the straps. So the best way is, the way in which we fit is the way in which you want to take the cover off, because it will make your life easier every time you come to fit it. So we take it straight out the storage bag, put the cover straight on the cowling, and then we go from there. So just find the front, which is denoted by the Velcro, and we've got 2 straps. So the aircraft is quite slippery this morning, having got the ice on. So initially, I'm just going to tack it. I'm not being particularly neat about it. I just want it connected and strapped so that no matter how windy it is, I can have my hand on here. That now can't go anywhere. We're secure. So all I do now is I basically unroll down this side, and as we go, the cover will just start to take the natural shape. You can use the strut to hold the cover if you need to. Just basically doing everything you can to stop it falling on the mud, and then just continue to unroll down the side. As you get here, it will just basically flop over the other side. If it was super windy and you were flying with 2 people or had someone local, you could just put a hand there. But in most circumstances, no matter how windy it is, that will always stay put. And then we'll just come round the other side. And again, we can just unroll and it's there. Coming to the front. Again, it can just sit on the strut, it's not going to sit on the ground. It's just a case of grabbing the 2 areas, and at this point here, just connect it. Cover can't get anywhere now. You're completely secure, and all you've got to do is readjust the front now, because the front is probably not quite right. Just needs pulling around. And then once this is tidied up, we can then go back, do the side up, and do the roof. And this is designed to tuck right behind the spinner, so stopping any wildlife and any ingress of debris. So that's now nice and neat. Make sure the handles are over the handles. The reason we do pockets is I can still grab that handle. So when I need to do the roof section, icy aircraft, I've still got a decent handhold, and I can't fall off the aircraft, and I can reach the ADF wire really easily. There's all the straps, and we'll come back round the side, neaten up this area. And the beauty of this split is it's right on the door. So I can undo this and get into the aircraft without having to take the whole cover off. So it's a good tight fit. And the tighter the fit, the less movement you'll get in wind. You've got these adjustable buckles as well, which allow you to pull it up nice and tight. So what we've got on the roof section is a split. That's for the ADF wire that runs to the top of the fin. This can vary in its position. Sometimes it's at the front when we don't have an ADF wire and there's an aerial. The aerial can be here sometimes. So sometimes the roof is connected at the front and joins at the back. This particular one, ADF wire is so far forward that it's fixed here and attaches at the front. When you get the cover, it's supplied with a really long strap here that connects in. This is so that you can throw the strap forwards and pull it rather than having to sort of drag it around. This customer has left the strap locked in his car, so we will have to just throw it, but it's not too bad. Something like that. Then we've got the nice handholds and we've got the foot, and all we do, reattach it on the centre line, Velcro it down, and again we've got some more buckles just for if a gale comes through. That isn't going to allow the cover to open up. You can reach over if you haven't quite got the wingspan to reach. You can always go round and up on the other side. So we've got the ADF wire going through, everything's fitting nicely and on. So now it's just the straps. With the straps there are two options. You can have the strap permanently fixed on the cover. This is really good for club aircraft because the strap can't get lost. On private aircraft, you can have it detachable here. Serves two purposes. If the wind was coming this way and you were throwing the strap and the wind kept blowing it back, you could disconnect it, reconnect it on the windward side, throw it under. The ones under the cowling, if they get dirty, you could take them off, you could wash them. If they were really bad, we could send you some new ones. But with club aircraft, it tends to go missing, so we have it fixed. And that's it, all nicely fitted. Cessna 172 all-weather canopy cowling cover.
Thanks for watching this video. Give us a follow for more great content and covers in the future.